A wooden side table, also known as a wooden end table. It is a small piece of furniture designed to be placed beside a larger piece of furniture, such as a sofa or bed. It is typically used for various purposes, including holding items like lamps, books, beverages, or decorative objects. Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. We've designed this wooden relate side table for woodworking enthusiasts. You can download the PDF pattern for scroll saw cutting and DXF file for CNC cutting. Wooden side tables often have a timeless and classic look that can enhance the overall aesthetics of a room. Wood is a durable material that can withstand daily use and last for many years. Well-maintained wooden side tables can maintain their appearance and structural integrity over time. Wooden side tables are relatively easy to maintain. Regular dusting and occasional polishing can keep the wood looking its best.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.